Inevitable errors in CNC machining can be challenging to eliminate. What types of errors are compromising your machining accuracy? Common errors include 1. Errors caused by machine tool deformation under force. 2. Errors due to thermal deformation. 3. Errors from improper workpiece clamping. 4. Errors due to misalignment between positioning reference and design reference. 5. Precision loss caused by tool wear. Facing these issues, choosing high-quality CNC cutting tools can maximize efficiency, reduce machining time, and save both effort and cost.